Okay, I'm just gonna hope this works. I had to do some things. Right. Ooh, that's kind of loud, like. So, wait, let me close all my... Wait, I should have... This... Come on now. So this is what we're doing. I'm about to... I forgot what I was doing. I'm midway through this run. What am I talking about? I'm actually started freaking out right now. Did I want to go to the shop or something? No, I've donated all my coins. Oh, I wanted to just look at what that room was. So here's the story. So, just gone to the pub with the boys. I'm sat here playing Binding of Isaac. I'm not going in there. I don't want to lose any of my health. This is my first run. Am I lying? This is my second run. My first run I did like a year ago. And I got 3 achievements, including Butterbean. Now I'm doing it again. And we're midway through. I've just beaten the boss. It was something like fibroids or something like that. Cyst. I don't know what it was. Anyway, I cooked him. I have 2 deals with the devil. I got purple fro... Hold on, this is the room I was just in. This is my mum's pad. And spawns a blue fly. I didn't know about that. I didn't read that part. Yes, mother, 2 out of 3. What? A Beelzebub 2 out of 3? Oh, is this... Oh, mum's pearls. Oh, okay. Mum. Little Gertie. I like this guy, by the way. Yeah, I'm just... Okay, that's Beelzebub. That's my seed. NZ667. So basically, I'm on floor, whatever floor this is, second to last. This is just sad now. It's actually getting sad. Oh my fucking god, we're in the depths. Wait, did I use... I haven't got an active... No, I haven't got an item. Oh my god. Where should we go? Where should we go? Where should we go? Should we go up, left, right, down? Take your guess in the comment section. I'm going left. Oh my fucking god. Put a little spin up. Why do they look like... What the fuck is that? Oh my god. What is that? Thank god. Yeah, I do need black up. Hold on. Coins in the corners. Coins in the corners. Didn't like that at all. Thank god I got mum's pad now. Just used it. Was it a waste? Just use mum's pad. Was it a waste? I like these smiling little guys, actually. I think that's quite sweet. But who are they? These stone men. No? Maybe I can... Maybe I'll see if I can bomb them later on. Who knows? Oh my god. Oh my god. Actually, this is all getting... I've just started this. All you've seen is me getting hit. 6. Ooh. What? Oh! I don't know. I'm fighting the guy. What? I thought I was just gonna go in the shop. Oh, so the shopkeeper's name is Greed, or is this... Fucking come to mommy? What the... no, they can't all be Greeds. Who are these 2 guys? In the corner. Oh! Yeah, I got no... Can't buy anything though. But I do have 19 coins now. So that's pretty good. Now, hold on, what are these buttons? What? They're just gonna keep coming back? I will have to press on the button. Oh! That's pretty good. Nice one. I love this guy. Hold on now. So this is what we've been doing. There's a little spike. That looks like a fly. Fly with the heart on. So I'm just gonna... He's not here, is he? I'm just gonna go fly and see what comes up. See if we get him, or if we have to manually... Ah! BBF. Big beautiful fly. A large familiar black fly that bounces around the room, exploding on contact with enemies, dealing 70 damage. Does not explode if it hits Isaac. However, if it explodes on... What? If it explodes on an enemy while I'm in range, I'll take damage. Lord of the Flies. I read that book. The Beelzebub transformation. Then that would be my third. I don't even want this. On guard. But may as well. I don't like... I'm not gonna lie. I don't know if I like this. Because I feel like I'm just gonna start getting hit. What can you do? It's all swings and roundabouts, isn't it, really? Now, I'm not going in there. I don't know. It's tempting. Maybe I'll come back later. Maybe if I get a load of hearts. I've got a bomb now. 1 bomb for 1 coin. It ain't worth it. It ain't worth it, son. Oh my god. Oh my fucking god. The brains. This purple fly... On guard. He's just this easy completion of the game. This purple fly. I'm so glad I got him. What else is going on here? Nothing. What the hell is this? Oh. I don't know, but I got... Hold on now. What if this is no, it can't be. Unless we kill 2 birds. We kill 2 birds with 1 bomb. Should we guess? Should we take a guess at where the next... I don't know. It wouldn't even be there. We're just going to put it against the wall just in case. And then what will be, you know? If we put the bomb down. Bam! Would that even... Ooh! Got the bomb back. Got the bomb back. He gave me pills. Tears up. Oh, God, that's good. I'm using it. Wait, and this is... What is that, range? I forgot what you told me. Fucking hell, that is fucking good. You can get a bit of a... Move forward a bit, and you... They really... What? Anyway, moving on from that. Oh, what? There's a lot going on here. There's, I'm not gonna lie. There's actually way too much going on right now. I'm getting overwhelmed. How the hell do you get that? Oh, what? Did I pick something up and I didn't even realise? Why am I flying? What? What did I pick up and I didn't even realise? Wait, my stuff. Is it the fly? No. No. Why am I flying? Was I flying before and I didn't even notice? And why is there 2 of these guys that are in love with me? I'm not gonna lie. I haven't got the foggiest what's going on right now. Oh. Got the bomb, got the bomb. Hold on, I feel like there's gonna be a little rock in here. They will have the X. X marks the spot. I've got too many guys. Is that an X? Or not? The one on bar right now. Is that an X on the rock? He said there will be an X on the rock. But in the deeper levels you can't tell the colour. And it looks like different rocks. I've got 2 bombs. Fuck it. It did not. I'm good. Tell me I'm good. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oof. I feel like I'm actually getting overwhelmed by my little creatures I have. Why are they in love with me? What's that in blue? What is this? Get me out of here right now. What the fuck is this? Oh, I hate these guys. I'm just gonna send my guy flying. Oh. And I don't have the safety scissors anymore. Used to have the safety scissors. There's a hand here. Used to have the safety scissors. And then I would have all the bombs. Oh my god. I actually hate these guys. But what? Now look. Hold on. Do you think we can do it? Oh, I don't know. You think I'm not a gamer, like? You think I can't hit the up left motion? Be realistic now. Come on. Mom's pad. Oh, I've just killed everyone, like, pretty quickly. What a waste. Got a dime, though. Oh! Nice. I'm just looking at... I see it. I see. You think I don't see it? Come on now. Be realistic now. Oh! What's good? And I've got a key. A bomb. Oh. And look at... Was that a lot of money? I feel like I've got so much money now. I didn't even realise when I got this much. Okay. Next. Oh my god. This game's easy, like, what's all the fuss about, huh? How can we extinguish the blue flames? Hold on, quick check for a rock. All done. Now, hold on. Right, we've got a couple here and there. This is just because I've got so many little creatures and flies buzzing around me. I must stink. I can't see if I'm right next to something picking something up. Are these spikes about to appear? That is cheeky. That is absolutely cheeky. That have I killed everything or not? I can't tell. There's just too much in here. On guard. Right. With a spot, because I'm floating, I'm flying. Am I? Yeah, I have got wings. Is it because I'm Beelzebub? Quick, look at the achievements I've just got. Oh, because I've became the Lord of the Flies. I understand now. What else? Angry fly. Okay, it's making sense. I must have picked. I must have unlocked. I don't know. Is it because I unlocked? I don't know. I genuinely don't know. How do I get out of this? Right. God, I hate these little worms. What else is in here? card. The world. Open your eyes and see. Well, I'll use that next. Is the last level just boss? Or is it a whole level? Is it the deep dungeons? Is it hell? I don't know. I don't know. Never got that far on the last one. Not gonna lie. Mom's pad. Oh god, I'm so hungry. Oh, well, I got loads of stuff. I got bombs coming out of my ears. Just looking around for a cross on a rock, by the way. Oh my god, this is fucking lovely. This is incredible. Oh my god. What could this be? Strength. Now this. Why has this got a bomb in the room? On the... I don't know. Hold on, strength. 11. And then we look. And then we go back. And then we go scroll all the way down to the bottom. We go to the tarot cards. That's number 9. This is 11. Gives the player the magic mushroom effect. Increasing size and all stats by 1 for the current room. The room size. I don't want my size bigger. Increasing size and all... Which increasing... Gives the player the magic mushroom effect. Which increasing size and all stats by 1. Is it me or does that not make any sense? If you use the strength card with 12 heart containers, it will take you down to 11 when you leave the room. I don't think I have that many anyway. Well, this is better than show me the world. Surely. I'm keeping strength. Or should I use show me the world now? Just use it. Because that'll show me the secret room. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Won't it? The world. It was there. And then now we got strength. Can I bring cards to the next level? I haven't done the boss. I'll just use it on the boss. Fuck it. Now I'm just going up. Oh, quick. Okay. Wait, there was a coin. And I've got bombs coming out of my ass and my ears now. Yeah, 2 coins. A bomb for a coin? I don't know. Let's check the secret. Well, let's just go in the secret room now. And see what we're saying. Now, what is that? What is that? It's like a suitcase. What's this guy saying? I hope he's not... Yeah, he's fine. Extinguish the fires. Now, what are these... What is it? Why is it on the pedestals? Wait, what have I just done? What? Oh my god. It's keys. Magic fingers. Wait, I've dropped Mum's pad. Magic fingers. Quick. Magic fingers. Quick. Quality 1. One use consumes a coin and deals damage to everything in the room. Damage dealt is equal to your tier. And it uses a coin. What the heck? Damage dealt is equal to your tier damage. Equal to your tier damage times 2 plus 10. I'm quite rich. I don't know. I don't think that's bad. I feel like Mum's pad. How are they spelling mum in this game? Mum or mum? I type in pad. Yeah, 0. Run away for 5 seconds. Counts as 1 of 3 items. So, but then when I lose that... Wait. So then I've dropped the mum's pad. So I don't have a mum item anymore. And I'm trying to become mum. Ain't that the truth? My stuff. I've got Beelzebub's 3 out of 3. Yeah, see. Oh, mum's pearls. Oh, I just have had to have picked them up. Oh, so I don't give a fuck then. Yeah, I'm keeping on the, what was this called? What was it called? Oh God, what the hell was it even called? What's it called? Magic fingers. Yeah, why not? Yeah. Yeah, why not? And I need to remember what I'm even pressing when I'm clicking on these things. Right, do I want 1 coin? A key for a coin? Nah. Haven't seen a bomb for a coin. But I take all my bombs into the next level, don't I? Or do I have more coins? So to use that thing, to use a bomb, I press LB. To use my item, no. To use the upper left corner, I'm pressing left trigger. This one I press right button. Okie dokie. And I only use that once. Yep. So then we're just gonna go now, I think. Just gonna go now, I think. I've got so many flies. I've become a fly, and I wish I could do. Oh, that didn't feel good. This isn't gonna be good. What the fuck is this going on here? I hate this, I hate this. That was easy! I didn't even use strength, and now I've got another card. I've got cards coming out of my ass. Where's the rock? I know there's an X marks the spot in here. There's not, but what's that? Red. Is that just a bit of the ground? Right, the magician. What? Oh my god. And then what's that? Oh, right, number 1. Oh. For the current room, tiers now have the spoon bender. Curves towards enemies and gives them a purple appearance. What's my other one? Strength. What's my other one? Strength. Nah, that's good. Strength's better, I reckon, than the magician. Spoon bender effect. Oh, they curve towards enemy. And gives. Why would you care if they're purple or not? Come on, what is this? And then what's that? Mother Mary card. Should I just pick it up? I'm just gonna pick it up. What is that? Reusable prayer. Gives Isaac an eternal heart. Taking an eternal heart to the next floor or collecting 2 on the same floor gives you an extra heart container. What's an eternal heart? And do I recharge? Does my green bar recharge when I go to the next level, or does it stay? Taking eternal. It gives him. It just gives him one. What's an eternal heart? No, it wouldn't say. Of course, it wouldn't say. What are these? Oh, ooh. So I just get loads of them. Hearts upon hearts. I mean, quality is a 3. What was my magic finger? 1. Yeah, I did like it though, not gonna lie. Or was Loki just an easy enemy to beat? I guess I'll find out. I guess we gotta keep prayer. The magician. I can only carry 1 card, so you just try it out here. I guess they would just go towards the enemies. What's this thing moving? Do I destroy this or not? Be honest. It's kind of nice. Anyway, oh, I must have got hit because I didn't have to deal with the devil in this. Or did I have it earlier on? I don't... No, I did have it earlier on. That's how I got my... I don't remember. Oh my fucking god. Oh my fucking god. I've never gotten here before. There's so much whispering in my ears. So shall I just use this now? What did it say? The next room? Sorry everyone. Just gotta refresh my... Next floor. Oh! I should have used it before. You live and you learn. Taking it to the next floor will turn the same for the egg jar. Oh, whatever. I don't give a fuck. Shall I just use it now? What the hell was that? Anyway, don't really know. Fucking hell, this is crazy now. This is getting a bit intense for me. God, there's things just coming out of my ears. What? The arcade? Now that sounds fun. What the hell is this? Oh, but you can blow these things up. And what is this guy? What is this? Is this 3? Oh. What's he saying? Like, is that just 3 host hats? Why is there 3 host hats? And what is this? What do I put in here? Oh, that was money. I put 1 coin in. Yeah, this is good. I got flies coming out the wazoo right now. Yeah, I got... Yeah. Whatever. Oh. Oh! Oh! That's gotta be good. That's gotta be good. That's gotta be good. The devil. Quick. Where is he? What the fuck? Why is there so many... Gives the book of... is it Belial? Effect for the current room increase. What does that even mean? Book of Belial? Gives the Book of Belial effect. Well, what the hell is that? Book of... What? Ah! Right. For the current room, increasing damage. So it's just the one room. 2 damage up. That's for the current room. Damage multiplier. Ew, don't have that. Oh. The bookworm transformation. I gotta get it. Wait, I don't even have that. What am I talking about? That's a shame. Anyway. So do I want that? What else did I have? Strength. Oh, fuck it. May as well. We can always come back for strength. Can't we? I'm getting flies at the wazoo. Okay, that's enough now. Oh, you know what I should have done? I should have pushed the one to the other one. Oh! Oh! Pills. Fucking nice. Okay. I didn't mean to use that! I pressed the wrong button! I meant to press the bomb and I pressed the devil. Oh, I can't be fucked. But you live and you learn. Will I get anything from... Yeah, well, at least I've got strength. I'm just really disappointed. And then what happens here? What? How the hell do I know which one he was in? In the same one. Come on now. It's a shame all my little minions are getting in the way. I can't concentrate on this. Got 40 coins now though. Oh my god. Yeah. Oh shit. Okay, hold on. Let's concentrate now. Oh, anyway, at least I'm getting flies. There's too much going on here. There's way too much going on here. Hold on. Is this cheeky? Oh, I didn't mean to do that. I was going to try and bomb him. This guy's got to give me something. Pills. Health up. Can I stack health up? Fuck yeah. Okay, enough of that. What am I doing? Thank God I didn't use all of my bombs. That's crazy. I don't even know. Oh, wait, I can just fly over to... I can't believe... I'm just forgetting I can fly. I can go everywhere. Now... we'll leave that for later, I reckon. Oh my God. Oh, I can just fly anywhere. It doesn't even matter. It doesn't even matter. I just fly all over the place. This guy can't get me. I just fly in the middle of nowhere. Maybe I should be utilising this flying more, I reckon. There's turds all over the place. Nice. What the heck is that? What is that? I want to go in there. Key in a bomb. Key in a bomb. 2 keys. What is it? What is it? What is it? What is it? Oh, it's the dice. 4. What do you think that means? We're on 4. I don't really know. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know what happened. Should I bomb it? I've got 6 bombs. I mean, just bomb in the middle of the room. See what happens. I don't know. I don't know. I'm actually, there's something mentally, I'm actually mentally deficient in so many different ways. I meant to press bomb. Forget it. Anyway, moving on from that. It's actually fine. I don't even need strength. I'm strong enough on my own. Oh god, that wasn't very good. Is that... It's kind of like a toilet. That did. Oof, I'm rich. I really need a donation machine right now. Oh my god. I don't even know what's going on right now. Little poo. Oh! Forgot I don't get them anymore. Oh, they look nice. Mystery egg! Don't even know what I did. I don't know what I did. I don't know what I did. To unlock mystery tab. Oh, what the hell? Oh, hold on. Achievements. Mystery egg. Got the egg. Got the egg, I guess. Don't know. Oh my god, this is incredible. What's he gonna give me? I've got such an amazing build right now. Am I at capacity? Was that a good move, doing the prayer? Don't know, honestly. Oh my god. What? It's a good thing I got little the dark bum here. I now just understand what Lord of the Flies is, to be honest. Health up. I guess the flies don't hurt me. The flying enemies. Just figured it out, not gonna lie. Not even gonna lie. Right, there's a bomb in there. Just looking at the rocks real quick. Just looking at the rocks. Whoa! That's good. What? Minus... Hey, that's gotta be pretty good. Tech 2. Yeah. Just looking at the rocks. Don't know. I don't know, honestly. I'm really frustrated with myself for keep on clicking the wrong buttons. It's been a long day. Wow, they must not have any X's on them in the last level or something. I don't know. I don't know, genuinely. Don't know how you'd find them. Oh. Well, I can just... I was about to put a bomb on the rock then, forgetting I can just fly over. That would have been crazy of me. Can't believe... Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh! What? Okay, okay, okay. What? Okay, okay. I don't want to go near them then. Ooh, I did not like getting hit by them things. Oh! So if you attack him... No. Ooh. That was not a good plan. Honestly, that was not a good plan. I've got 11 bombs. I don't need any more. I really want to go. School bag. 7 cents. Why is that in red? Let's just take it. Oh my god, I'm rich. We'll just take it all. I'll actually just take it all. Binky. Tears up. Tears up. Tears up, baby. Hold on now. Extinguish the flame. Oh. I didn't know you could be killing this guy this whole time. Now, how many coins? I wanted to do 75, but we've done 76. And this is the last level. What more can we buy? And we can always come back. We'll do 10. We'll do until we got 10 left. Boop. I think that's pretty good. Oh, fucking hell. Glad those things didn't get me. Honestly. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Jesus Christ. What's that? The apple. Eve's apple. I've dropped my little Well, what does that do? The app. Come on now. We gotta look. Okay. Picking up red hearts now has a high chance to spawn blue attack spiders instead of giving you a health back. Oh. Oh. Well, I don't think I need spiders. Not gonna lie. But I do like flatworm. Blub blub. So this is what we'll take. Oh my god, where the... Christ. I keep on forgetting to charge and send my little guy, to be honest. Found the boss room already. I'm looking at the rocks. Okay. I feel like... Oh my god. Oh, what is that room? I don't understand the... Shall I Google the dice room? Randomize many elements of the run. 2 keys. Yep. 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 Ooh, what? 1 pip, 2 pips, so 4 pips. Rerolls any item pedestals on the floor, like the D6 would. Does not reroll item pedestals in the Devil Room, Entry Room, Library, Black Market, or Crawl Space. Right. Huh. Ah, yes. Huh. The more you know. The more you know. Where was I going? I was going back to the... Oof. I should just be putting things, just bombs, just everywhere, really, shouldn't I? Okay. Oh, it was the room I couldn't go in. Okay, that's fine. Whatever. Now I feel like I'm just gonna go into that. Oh, look at me missing things. What else did I miss? Come on! Oh my god, what's wrong with me? If I go back in the dice room, oh, things just don't happen again. Just wondering, just wondering, just wondering. I haven't figured out the trick to What are the chances? We gave our best shot. What? We may as well. Oh fucking hell! What? Just a bomb. Well, anything in the spider webs? No. Just a bomb. Well, that was useless. That was pointless. That was pointless, useless. Hold on, I can do it. I've got to look at... I'm so sorry. What? I don't know. Maybe it doesn't help, but I don't know what an eternal heart is. No search results. What? Okay, hold on now. Eternal hearts. When Howard... Red heart... Not gonna lie, there's way too much room there, so I'm just gonna use it. YOLO. Where am I going now? Oh, maybe I should just be putting bombs on places. No, we can't. That won't be an item room. Where else could be? They said 3 or Thor. Thor? Would it be this? Would it be here? I can't be asked to check all the sides. Oh my god. Okay, cool. Is that it? I'm just gonna look at the rocks real quick. Okay, if I put a bomb. The more you know. The more you know. If I put a bomb... Okay, did nothing. What was in here again? Got it. If I put a bomb... Okay. It's time to finish this now. Because look at my character. I look insane. Go around that. I don't want that apple. Okay, okay. We gotta lock in for this. Oh my god. It's Mom! She's gonna... Oh my god. What? Oh my god. Oh my god. I don't even know what I'm doing, genuinely. Oh. Oh. It's not looking good. There's just too much going on.
Isaac was cornered. His mother, fueled with the desire to serve God, was bearing down on Isaac. I will do as I'm told, my lord. I love you above all else. Isaac's mother repeated to herself. This was the end of the line for Isaac. His mother was far too strong for him. But just as he accepted his fate, God intervened, sending an angel down from above to stop his mother's hand.
Oh.
And just like that, it was over.
Oh. Tyrone and Victor. Wow. Jeremy Stevens. What have I got to say about that? So even though I went in the devil rooms, I still got saved at the end by God. By God's and the angel's hands. You would have thought it would have been the devil saving me. Don't really know. But, I mean, come on now. The amount of achievements I've just unlocked. I mean, probably got like 650 more to get. But every day's a learning day. Every day's a learning day. You learn something new every day. And it's all swings and roundabouts, isn't it? So, here I am. I've completed, well, not really completed. Finished my first run. I don't think I must not have finished it the last time when I was playing this. Oh my god. Press start. Forget A is start. So wait, next time I'm doing this, should I do a different file? No. I'd want to do the same file and then I'd just pick another character. New run. I'm guessing mods. Don't have any challenges. I've just started something I didn't mean to start. What the fuck is that? I don't know what's going on. That guy looks so sweet, to be honest, when he's firing his... I'm not gonna lie, I don't know what's going on right now. On God. I don't know what this is. I didn't mean to click on this, to be honest. Exit game. Maybe I should have looked at what the challenge was. Oh, it doesn't say. I don't know. One life gives you lemons. Beans. Oh, this was all the things I was unlocking. I recall now. April's Fool. Should we have a look at April's Fool? Just a sneaky little look. Just a quick little look. Do I get the April Fool's card? Let's have a quick look at that. Boom, 10 bombs. Fucking hell. What a great first item. It's a shame we're not carrying on right now. Wow. I guess if we do a new run, who am I? 7+ heart containers. Right. £55. Right. I'm not picking up hearts for 2 levels. Getting 2 levels. Flipping heck. I'm not going to be able to do that. 3 deals with the devil in 1 game. I only made 2. Lazarus, I unlocked him. Greed. Oh. Anyway, I'm getting tired now. My next run through. Let me know in the comment. Let me know in the comment section what you want to see. If you want me to do another run from the beginning. That must have taken ages. I don't even know how long I've been recording. On God. 52 minutes. Oh, that took me like 3 hours to beat that run. Anyway, regardless or irregardless, I'm sitting here with my green tea. It's cold now. They call that iced tea. It is so cold. Yeah, I guess here's where we end it. Any tips and tricks, let me know in the comment section. I'm just keep on thinking about me pressing the wrong button and using up all my cards, and it's actually giving me the ick. So I'm just gonna think about that for a little while. Thanks for watching.